Alright, let's take another example. Evaluate the integral of 2 cos x minus square root of e raised to power x, all in bracket dx. Okay, now let's go. We're going to split this into 2. That means we're going to have 2 integral of cos x dx minus integral of square root of e raised to power x dx. Okay, now let's go. We are going to have 2 integral of cos x dx minus integral of e raised to power x. This square root can be written as raised to power 1 all over 2. Okay, so that means we are having integral of e raised to power x times 1 all over 2. So therefore we are going to have integral of e raised to power x all over 2 dx. So that means we are having 2 integral of cos x dx minus integral of e raised to power x all over 2 dx. Now let's take them one after the other. Let's take the first one. We have 2 integral of cos x dx. So integral of cos x is going to give us sine x. That means we're going to have 2 sine x. That means the integral of 2 cos x will give us 2 sine x. Now let's label this 1. Now let's take the second. We have integral of e raised to power x all over 2 dx. From this place, let's call x all over 2 a letter. Then let's choose letter t. That means we are going to have let t equal to x all over 2. From here, let's differentiate t with respect to x. That means we are going to have dt all over dx is equal to 1 all over 2. When we differentiate x all over 2, is going to give you 1 all over 2. Okay, from here, let's cross multiply. So in doing so, we are going to have dt, we are going to have dx is equal to 2 dt. Okay, that means we are going to have dx is equal to 2 dt. So back to our main function, we are going to have integral of e. In place of x all over 2, we are going to replace it with a letter what? T. And then in place of dx, we are going to replace it with 2 dt. So that means we are having integral of e raised to power t 2 dt. Alright, good. Here, let's take 2 to the back. That means we are going to have 2 integral of e raised to power t dt. Here, integral of e raised to power t will give you e raised to power t. Okay, that means we are having 2 e raised to power t plus c. Alright, good. Let's name this word 2. Here, let's bring them together and join them. Okay, let's combine equation 1 and equation 2 together. Alright, so in the first one we have 2 sine x. Okay, and then in the second one we have 2 e raised to power t, and then you discover that our t is x all over 2. Okay, now we can replace it by we have 2 e raised to power x all over 2. Okay, now let's go to our function. We are having 2 integral of cos x dx minus integral of e raised to power x all over 2 dx. So we have integrated them. So the integral of 2 cos x is giving us 2 sine x. Then we have minus the integral of e raised to power x all over 2 is giving us 2 e raised to power x all over 2. Now let's put this in bracket plus c. So finally, let's factor out 2 because 2 is common in both of them. So when we factor out 2, we have 2 open bracket sine x minus e raised to power x all over 2 close the bracket plus c. Alright, that means the integral of 2 cos x minus square root of e raised to power x in bracket dx will give you 2 over bracket sine x minus e raised to power x all over 2 plus c. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Please keep watching.